You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is t smaller than 25 over 3 smaller than 81 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all t terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 5t from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Divide both sides by -3. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is t smaller than 25 over 3 smaller than 81 over 3.